If you're someone who is waking up every day, dreading that long commute, working in a job that is draining your energy, and wondering if you will ever actually live your life on your own terms, then this final video in this marathon tutorial series could be the turning point. Now, welcome back to this part 24 of how to make $100 per day with affiliate marketing as a beginner. In today's video, I'm going to show you what to do with the traffic which you have got, how to turn those leads into real life-changing income. In this video, you will learn what are the key metrics to track after running solo ads, how to scale your list with the right solo ad vendor, how many emails you need to send to your subscribers based on the different email list. Finally, the #1 brand new program that is helping beginners quit their 9-to-5 job. And it is a unique program, and you will know why I say this unique later in this video. So if you have been following all along and dreaming a way out of this rat race, hit the subscribe button below and tap the bell icon, because missing this video could mean missing a real shot at earning passive income online. So let's get straight to my screen. So this is the Opt-in Dojo dashboard, and if you have not got this Opt-in Dojo tracking tool, you can always check out the link in the description box below to get your Opt-in Dojo account. Now, if you're not using this tracking tool, then I can guarantee that you're going to fail in this affiliate marketing business. So what we're going to discuss now is about how to track the key metrics after running the solo ads. So once you come over to Opt-in Dojo dashboard, you can click on the tracking links. So tracking links are the links that you're going to give to the solo ad vendors. And after they run the traffic, so what are the key points that you need to check for the metrics? Now, if you see over here, you can see some of the solo ad traffic runs that I have done in my business. Now, for example, if you see this run on 2/2/2024, you can see this front-end metrics, email back-end metrics, and lifetime metrics. Now, what do you mean by this? So front-end metrics is TC is nothing but the total clicks received, and O is nothing but the number of opt-ins. So if you see, out of 964 clicks, 436 have opted in, which is nothing but OCR, opt-in rate. Opt-in rate is 45%, and OFV, which is the front-end offer views. So how many of them have gone on to view the front-end offers? So 436 have gone on to visit the offer. And now if you see, these are the email backend metrics and lifetime metrics. Now, email backend metrics, you have this EC, which is the number of email clicks. Now, if you see how many of them have clicked the emails which you have sent to your subscribers. So here you can see 78 of them. And EOR is the email openers rate. That is nothing but number of people that are opening your emails, which is 49.3%. And ECR is email clickers rate. How many of them are clicking the links in your emails? So that is the ECR. And CPEC is the cost per email clicker. So it's nothing but how much you pay in order to acquire one lead that is going to click the link in your emails. So that is going to be the cost per email clicker. And if you come to the lifetime metrics, you can see the cost per opt-in, and it's coming around $1.77. And EPO, earnings per opt-in, 7 cents per opt-in. And E is nothing but the number of engagements, and S is the number of sales, which is the most important parameter, and cost, and what is the cost of the solo ad traffic run. And here you can see the total revenue and the ROI, which is the lifetime ROI. So these are the important metrics that you need to check for. And the most important ones is the number of email opt-ins, so opt-in rate, and also how well they are behaving to your emails, like the email clickers, email open rates, and email click-through rates. So these two are one of the most important metrics after you send emails to your subscribers. That's how you know that these people are responsive to your emails. Click on this tile over here, graphic tile, which is showing the tracking link stats. So you can see the 964 clicks, leads, cost, which is around $800, and the revenue, which is $28.73, and net ROI is minus 96.4%, and engagement sales, you can see this cost per revenue, and this is the cost and this is the revenue, you can see over here. And when you are going to break even, you can also see those graphs coming up. Here you can see the tier 1 countries. 100% of my traffic is tier 1 countries, which is only from the US. And when you scroll down, you can see the segmented reports based on the email, traffic source, and you can see the front-end metrics, the email back-end metrics, the lifetime metrics. And once you scroll on, you can also see the traffic quality, which is 100% okay. And if it is a bot click and something like that, you can see this red one coming up, which is flagged. And when you scroll down, you can see the opt-in page performance. You can see which opt-in page is performing better. This one has got 46%. This one has got 44.3%. And when you scroll down, you can see the front-end funnel. These are the offers that I have promoted in the front-end funnel and how many clicks have come to this offers. You can see 2 and 4, and secret email systems 2 to 3, and link performance. So from email clicks, so how many of them have clicked through your emails. So here you can see the offers that have received the number of clicks, and yeah, you can see the revenue. You can see the revenue against this particular offer from my email clicks. And once you scroll down, you can still get the email opens responsivity, which is 49.3%, and email clicks responsivity, which is 11%. So you can also check for individual emails. So these are the parameters that you can check using opt-in Dojo. So the 3 most important metrics that you need to look for is the opt-in rate, and next, what is the email open rate after they enter your email autoresponder. And the third one is what is the click-through rate after they enter your email autoresponder. So these 3 metrics are the ones that will tell whether the email list from that solo ad vendor is responsive or not. Based on these parameters, you can go and scale with that particular solo ad vendor. And always, please don't look for the front-end sales from the solo ad vendor. Yeah, you might get some front-end sales with particular solo ad vendor, but at the back end, there is no responsiveness to the emails. There is no open rate to the emails. You don't need those kind of solo ad vendors. Even if you don't get a front-end sales, if the email opt-in rate is good, subscribers are opening the emails and they are clicking through your emails, then that is a positive sign that the solo ad vendor is giving you right clicks and right subscribers and quality subscribers. So once you find a solo ad vendor that is giving you all 3 key metrics that I mentioned you right now, then you can scale with that particular solo ad vendor. To begin with, you can always check different solo ad vendors with 300 clicks. And again, you can buy from them to have more data. And once you have more data, at least around 1,000 clicks, then you can go and scale with the right vendor based on the key metrics. Now, coming to the third topic of today, which is how many emails do I need to send to my email subscribers? To understand this, let us go straight to the affiliate marketing process flow. So if you can see this affiliate marketing process flow diagram, A, B, C, D are the different solo ad vendors. After they direct the traffic to the squeeze page, they are directed to the sales offer page, and at the back end, they are added to the email autoresponders, which is AWeber and Getresponse, and then you can send them to the same offer or different offer. And from there, once they buy the offer, they are going to be moved to a different list called buyers list C and buyers list B, and eventually buyers list A. Now, whenever the email lead enters your email autoresponder from the opt-in page, they are going to be in the raw list. Now, for the raw list, you always need to send 1 broadcast per day, and you always need to have 1 email automation, which is going to be the welcome email once they sign up on the squeeze page. So once the emails are sent to the raw list, you need to filter out the openers. So all the subscribers that are opening in your raw list need to be moved to the openers list, and under the openers list, you need to start sending once per day, which is going to be the email broadcast. And once if you see at least 10 to 15% of consistent open rates for a week, then you can start sending, which is the second broadcast on the same day. So if you see 10 to 15% of open rates, even for the second broadcast, then you can start sending the third broadcast, and all 3 emails should consistently have 10 to 15% open rates. And this is especially the common norm in the solo ad industry, because the more you email your subscribers, the more chances you have to get sale. Once you build your buyers list C, who are going to be the buyers of your low ticket products, you need to send at least twice to the buyers list C. Now, first you need to send one email per day to the bias list C and see whether the open rates are at least 15 to 20% above. And once it is 15 to 20% above, you can start sending your second email to the bias list C. And to the bias list B, you need to send only one email per day because they are the mid-ticket buyers, somewhere around $500 to $1,000 products. And to the high-ticket buyers, bias list A, you need to send only once a day. And this should be a combination of promotional emails and a value-added email. So this is how you need to send emails to the different buyer categories: buyers C, buyers B, and buyers A. Now, I hope you would have understood how many emails you should send to the different list. Maybe it's the raw list or the openers list or the buyers list. Now, coming to the most important part of today's video. Now, if you are someone who wants to quit your 9 to 5 job, want to earn a real income online, want to live a laptop lifestyle, then here's the thing for you. Now, if you're someone who wants to become like John McNeil or Phyllis Tang or Marcus, welcome to this program called Passive Income Profits, which is from my own mentor Ben from Singapore. This program is a brand new, unique program that is going to help beginners like you to quit their 9 to 5 job and start earning a passive income online. Now, when you click on the link in the description box below, my top recommended secret mentorship program, you will reach this page called Passive Income Profits. And here you have 3 levels of mentorship: Beginners Club, Start Club, and Inner Circle. Now, if you want to become one of those students like John McNeil or Phyllis, then here's a mentorship program which is called Inner Circle, which is helping people like you quit the 9 to 5 job. Now, there are 3 levels of mentorship program. First one is Beginners Club, $97 USD one time. And the second one is the Start Club, $2,997 US one time. And the third one and the most successful one is the Inner Circle, which is $6,997 US one time. Now, what do you get in this Inner Circle program? Now, Ben, the mentor, is going to work with you perpetually until you make a minimum of $5,000 in profit consecutively for 3 months. Now, this is the kind of guarantee that no other marketer on this planet gives you, because he's going to give you the basic foundation of affiliate marketing, and he's going to support you unless you make consistently for 3 months, which is very important in order to succeed online. And that's the kind of foundation that he's going to help you with. And you get one-on-one weekly Zoom session and tailor-made action plans, and also what are the offers that are converting right now, exclusive video trainings, and also you have this in-house affiliate program to earn from all 3 levels of mentorship program, which is around 50%. And also 2-tier commission rates and a team bonus of $5K US. So when you scroll down, you can see some of the testimonials from his students. And here you can see some of the screenshots, the results from different students under him. And what is the satisfaction guaranteed? He's going to give 14-day money back guarantee. And if you have any questions related to like, am I restricted to only promoting PIP mentorship program? No, you can promote whatever offers you want. And is there a money back guarantee? Yes, you have a money back guarantee for 14 days with no questions asked. And what are the commission rates? You can see the commission rates. Do you need any of the tools? Yes, you will need tools to start with. So at least of $100 per month. Now here's a catch. Before enrolling into this Inner Circle program, you first need to click on this check curriculum button, and over here you can need to book a Zoom session with them. Now this Zoom session is a complimentary and a free one where you need to have a one-on-one session with the mentor. He needs to understand your goals, your commitments, your budget, because without any of this, it's not going to be easy for him to help you achieve this goal of achieving $5K US in profit consecutively for 3 months. So please feel free to book a Zoom session with him and understand your goals. And from there, you can move on to the Inner Circle program. And also you have this 90% done for your services, landing page, software integration, 45-day email sequence, leverage on your brand, and allowing you to insert your Microsoft UET tag to your funnel pages for our remarketing purposes. And also the training videos. You can see the number of training videos he has for you. So if you're someone who is serious about earning online and want to quit the 9 to 5 job and live a laptop lifestyle, then please join the Inner Circle program where the student success rate is over 82% and you get unlimited time commitment from the mentor Ben himself until you achieve the $5,000 in profit consecutively for 3 months. With that, we have come to the end of this marathon tutorial series of how to make $100 per day with affiliate marketing as a beginner. So let's meet in another video where I'm going to come up with more helpful, valuable content for you in order to make money using affiliate marketing. So see you until then. Bye.